Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying Kiehls Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. I know a lot of you are like, wow, is this becoming a mask channel? No, but I got a lot of masks here and we're gonna try them together. Some I bought and got for free in a little sample, and this is one of them I got for free with something I bought, you know, the advent calendar from Kiehls, and this didn't come in it, but they had like a lot of samples and this one came with it. So this mask, 3.4 ounces of this mask, yes, 3.4 ounces of this mask will run you $45. Now this mask is for normal to normal, combination, and dry skin. So I guess sensitive skin can use it. 9 out of 10. Most dry skin, in my personal opinion, leans on very sensitive. So probably sensitive skin can use it. It smooths and softens the skin. So we're going to see, does it get rid of all this crust and ashiness on my face? Now I want to say this. 3.4 ounces, and this is $45, is a little bit pricey for Kiehls in my opinion, since, you know, even though they do have very high-end natural products, which I do enjoy about the brand Kiehls, this one is not affordable in Kiehls, and y'all don't even have a smaller size. They only have this 3.4 ounce size of this mask. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it first and then we could get into this. I actually dug my hand into it and it feels like avocado, like straight up avocado. Like, what's going on with this mask? You know, side note, this is one of the masks I've seen on Instagram so much. Like, when Kiehls was promoting this, you see nothing but Instagram influencers with it. So I'm gonna tell you right now, it's probably botched. But we gonna see. We gonna see. You know what? I could literally make this channel a review channel, reviewing all the skincare items I bought because of an Instagram influencer, just to see how botched they are. But I'm gonna leave that alone. I ain't got time for that. But let's go ahead and do a close-up and a swatch of this mask. You can see I told you guys I digged in it, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that. That's how it goes on if you bought this mask, girl. Woo! So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh my god, what is going on? This is like avocado. It is an avocado mask. So I mean, did they use real avocado like Lush would? This is about as good of a swatch as y'all gonna get. So I'm gonna just go ahead and, that is what it looks like. You guys see, that is what it looks like. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my ashy face. This is what my face looks like. Y'all see that crust and that ash? But my lips is moist. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the mask on my face. Okay, so it says apply a visible layer on the skin. It says clean skin and leave on for 15 minutes. So, oh my god, y'all, this, I don't know what's going on. It's like I mean, y'all could just buy an avocado at this point. What in the ghetto? This is a waste of product. This, oh my god, it's falling everywhere. Side note, I will say it's one-star deduction for product consistency and me wasting a whole bunch of product as I'm applying it to my face. I don't like masks like that, Kiehls, so you get a 1-star deduction for this product. Oh, y'all see? It's on the floor like that. And this is a sample. Could you imagine the real thing? You like wasting product. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so here's the visible layer. I'm gonna apply just a little more and pray for a miracle. You know, side note, when you look at the YouTube thumbnails for this, everybody's look cute. Look at mine. Just look at mine. It looks a mess. Oh my god, I'm just never dainty. I swear to god, I get so jealous. I see other YouTubers and they're always so dainty, and then I look at me and I'm just a mess. Oh, that's probably why I do a video and have like 20,000 views and it be sitting at like 150 dislikes. Y'all really can't stand You know what? But I love y'all. Y'all may not like me, but I love you, okay? So anyways, this is what the mask looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up of the mask. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna get my chin right in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it sit for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get my neck, and I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. I am going to give it a chance. And yeah, we'll see. Is it worth you spending $45 on it? Okay, you guys, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face off. I'm just rubbing it in just because it didn't say do it, but I'm just praying that it comes off easily. I mean, it is the most messiest mask I've tried in a while on this channel. This will have to be the messiest one, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and dry my face, and then we'll do a close-up and then talk about it. Okay, you guys, so here is my face. Here's my cheek. Here is my other cheek. Here is my forehead, and here is my chin. I want to say it did give me, like, under my neck, like right here, I did get a little bit of a breakout. Can you guys see? There we go. It is right there. So if you're really oily under there, you need to be careful, but let's talk about it. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about Kiehls Avocado Hydration Nourishing Mask. It's, you know what? It's a weird texture, but it is an avocado mask. And if you've cut into avocado, you've put avocado in your hair, you've put avocado in your face, you know, if you're just scooping avocado out the pit with the, you know, scooping it out and putting it on your face or in your hair, it gives you that texture. So, you know, I can't really get mad at the texture. However, I do think for 3.4 ounces at $45, you are wasting a lot of product. Like, scooping it out like that, most of us are not going to literally, most of us who are spending $45 on a 3.4 ounce product, let's be real, is not going to literally dig off the floor or pick up the pieces off the floor and smear them on our face. We're not going to do that. So since we're not going to do that, it's really literally wasting product the way the texture is. It's wasting product. It's wasting money. And when you're wasting product, you're wasting money. That's just my opinion. You know, half the time I get real cheap. I scrape lotion bottles and I scrape toothpaste tubes. So that's all I'm gonna say. You are wasting money with this product because the texture gets everywhere. Look at it. It's all over my shirt. Half of it is still on the floor, and literally, as you literally have to rub this in. So I don't know if it's worth the price. However, I will say it is a great mask. It did what it said it was going to do. So if you have really dry skin, you may want to go ahead and give this mask a try. Normal to combination skin, I really think you could get away without using this mask. I am combination, and I got just a little, I'm really oily under here, and I did get a breakout. So oily people, you stay away from this mask. It is loaded with shea butters, all type of butters that can be clog pouring to some people. So, you know, you want to stay away from this mask. With that being said, all in all, I am going to give this mask a 3 out of 5, only because I feel like you're wasting product. It's a great mask if you really do have dry skin, and with the winter time coming, it's really a great hydrating mask. However, you're wasting a lot of product. It has that avocado texture that smears on the skin, and you will have to layer. It's not one of those masks, like right now my skin is drying out just a little bit. Not really that type of mask where, you know, if you're having a day at home, you want to apply it and maybe that's it. You don't want to apply serums and oils to your face after. You just want to apply a mask. This is not that type of mask because it is going to dry the skin out, but it will give it much needed hydration. So if you have dry skin that's really eczema leaning, you may not want to try this mask. But if you just have normal dry skin, this may be a nice mask for you. If you live in a climate where it's not as dry as the desert. So for instance, I live in the desert and my hands are already drying out and my face is already drying out. However, under my chin, I'm getting a breakout. So you already know what type of skin I got. Fickle combination. So anyways, you guys, I like it. It's a great mask. If you have the money and you have dry skin, normal skin, get it. If not, girl, don't even waste your money. I will say this is not about the brand Kiehls. This is just about the product. I genuinely like the brand Kiehls. It's just about this product. I just want to say this. I'm going to go ahead and give it to Kiehls. I think they make great products. I think this was an interesting product. The way they made it, the texture of it, actually mimicking avocado was really amazing. I'm shocked. However, it just didn't wow me out the door. Anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. With that being said, you guys, I love you so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.